The new Salesforce extension for Gemini in Gmail can help sellers spend more time on strategic work and building customer relationships, and less time on administrative tasks. It integrates Salesforce data directly into Gemini in Workspace, eliminating the need to constantly switch between your inbox and Salesforce database to manage reaching your prospects. To start using the Salesforce for Gemini extension, first install the extension from the Google Workspace Marketplace. You'll need a paid Google Workspace account and Salesforce access. If the Install button is grayed out, contact your Google Workspace administrator to add the extension to your Allow list. After successful installation, let's connect your Salesforce account within Gmail. Open the Gemini side panel and input the command, Create Lead in Salesforce. This action will activate the Salesforce application, allowing you to link your Salesforce account. Follow the on-screen prompts to grant the necessary permissions, enabling Gemini to access your Salesforce data. Once the authorization process is complete, the Salesforce for Gemini extension in Gmail will be fully operational. To effectively use the Salesforce in Gemini extension, you have several options. Take action on this sales inquiry nudge. Appears when Gemini recognizes a potential sales lead in your email. This will enable the Salesforce extension, allowing you to interact with Salesforce data. Track this lead. If you see a Track This Lead button, clicking this will directly create or update a lead record in your Salesforce instance. This is a quick way to log potential customers and add contacts. Reply with Salesforce info. This feature will generate a professional and informative email draft that includes relevant details and next steps. Finally, a key recommendation is to include the phrase "in Salesforce" within your prompts. For example, create a new opportunity in Salesforce for this lead.